I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming what matters: ticket names, PNR, and the scheduled departure times for both flights. Once done, make sure your passport, visas, and any health docs meet the destination and transit requirements. This avoids being denied boarding. Print or download both boarding passes and note terminal and gate changes. If you have less than the airline's minimum connection time, call now to request rebooking or assistance, because proactive changes are simpler than sprinting across terminals. You arrive and move deliberately. Follow transfer signs and confirm your arrival gate versus your departure gate. Airports change gates. Once at the transfer hub, find the transfer desk to verify whether checked bags are already tagged to your final destination or must be reclaimed and rechecked. This dictates your route. Use airport shuttles and interterminal trains to save time, and if the walk is long, request wheelchair or porter help. These services speed up movement and reduce stress. You reach the final gate and verify boarding time, seat, and any last-minute passport checks. Stay near the gate and listen for announcements. If you miss the connection, go immediately to the airline rebooking desk or call the carrier. Explain your incoming flight delay and request the next available alternative, because on-the-spot rebooking often avoids long delays. As a troubleshooting tip, keep photos of boarding passes and delay notices and save receipts for meals or hotels. They support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.